Hello again, everyone. My name is Jamie Sokos, and this is MSN 600 Evidence-Based Capstone Project Week 1, Discussion 1, Reflection and Action Video Journal. As it states, review the learning objectives for this course, beginning of the syllabus. Discuss how the course learning objectives relate to your current and or future advanced practice role. 1. Incorporate research into practice through clinical appraisal and synthesis of the most current, relevant, and best evidence-based research articles in developing the capstone project. As a future nurse leader, it is imperative to stay current with the most relevant and evidence-based practice research to positively influence staff, build a positive workplace culture, create innovation, all in the effort to ultimately improve patient health outcomes while simultaneously growing the healthcare organization. 2. Develop, implement, and evaluate an evidence-based solution to an identified problem or issue encountered in the clinical setting or practice. Nurse leaders must know how to implement evidence-based research into practice as a solution to an identified problem within the healthcare organization. 3. Demonstrate leadership in collaborative efforts to develop, implement, and evaluate interventions to improve clinical care and healthcare outcomes for diverse populations and communities. As a future nurse leader, it is essential to communicate with the interdisciplinary team, as this ensures continuity of care. When implementing an initiative, the nurse leader must properly evaluate the initiative within regular intervals and make changes as needed for improvement contingent on the population communities to render the best outcome. 4. Incorporate ethical, culture, legal, spiritual, caring theory, and social issues in the design, implementation, and evaluation of the evidence-based project. The ability to provide genuine care for a person spiritually, mentally, and physically is where the healing resides. In this course, I will ensure that all aspects of the patient's needs are addressed to ensure the best health outcome. Use information technology and informatics to disseminate evidence-based outcomes that affect healthcare, education, practice, and research. Healthcare is growing as technology continues to evolve. As a future nurse leader, I will use technology to lead teams across various platforms in an effort to improve health outcomes. Review the assignment descriptions posted in each week of the course. What questions or concerns do you have? I have thoroughly reviewed the weekly assignment descriptions and currently do not have any questions and or concerns. However, I am certain as the weeks progress that I will have questions for which I will reach out to the professor for clarity as needed. Overall, what are your goals for this course? My overall goal for this course is to improve upon my nurse leadership skills by properly assessing evidence-based articles and implementing into practice, which will improve the health organization and the patients that we serve. What experience and expertise do you have that you believe will contribute to the learning community in this course? Most of my experience comes from working within the community in home health and occupational health. In these roles, it is imperative to develop a rapport with the patient. Part of my nursing philosophy is to meet the patients where they are and build a foundation of trust. And also in that, equipping them with education to provide better care for themselves and advocate for themselves. The transference of knowledge from the nurse to the patient should be rooted in care, as education is the key to a positive health outcome. Thank you so much for your time. This concludes this week 1 discussion video journal, and I look forward to hearing from you all and working with you all during this course. Thank you.